Hi, Detroiters. I'm excited to share some updates to the Detroit Home Repair Resource Guide. If you're a Detroit resident, this guide can help you find resources to assist with making home repairs. If you're a Detroit serving organization that runs a home repair program, this guide can be another way of making Detroiters aware of your program. My name is Liani May Amentado. I'm a senior project manager at Poverty Solutions, which is a research center at the University of Michigan. I manage the yearly updates for the guide. The guide has been compiled by Poverty Solutions at U of M for several years, and we recently made some changes to make it easier to use. The guide still gives an overview on what home repair supports are available to Detroiters, program eligibility requirements, and whether those programs are open. We've updated the guide with new reference tables based on home repair type, various eligibility requirements, and open or closed status. So for example, if you're looking for programs that can fix your window, you can go to the repair type reference table to see all of those programs. And if you then want to see if you qualify for those specific programs based on income, you can jump to the income eligibility reference table. The guide also includes reference tables based on home ownership or residency and other common eligibility criteria. The reference tables are meant to be used together to narrow down which programs you qualify for that can support your home repair needs. Once you know which programs you want to look into, you can look at the program overview. Program overviews will include the organization name, program name, description, eligibility requirements, the type of home repair support it offers, eligible home repairs, application instructions, and contact information to help you determine if you want to reach out to that program. Please keep in mind that the guide is updated once a year and program information may change between updates. We recommend contacting programs directly to confirm these details. Furthermore, the guide does not include every single detail for every program listed, so you may need to confirm any additional details with the program directly. The guide also includes information on the connection between child-lead poisoning and healthy housing. You'll find information about testing and what to do if you think your child has been exposed to lead, plus local resources. Child-lead poisoning is a serious issue, and home repairs are one important way to prevent and mitigate child-lead poisoning. Please visit the link in the description to see the guide yourself, to see translated versions of the guide, to contact me with updates to the guide, and more. We hope this guide helps you find the home repair resources you need.